When we refer to our QR codes, I've said a few options as to how you can get the inspirational content on. Oh, there's the boil up. So all you do is you just get your camera and you hover over the QR code. And then when it says this, can you see there? Load me, you click it. And then it says enter the code. So I'm looking on here and I can see my code here. So my numbers are 0106 23A. And then if you click search, hopefully, there we go. So now you can see all of the wonderful things for Cotton Pines. So we've got videos. There are 4 videos loaded for Cotton Pines already. There is going to be a live one with me together with each box as well, as you all know. So we'll do something together. That's one of the ways that you can do it. But another way that you can do it, which if you're feeling like, I don't want to get my camera out, it's still a little bit overwhelming, it's still something I'm not really wanting to get into. If you go to the top of our website, in fact, I could probably show you on Tim's phone here. If you go to back to the home page, can you see down this? You've got awesome deals, TV broadcast, TV schedule and inspiration. If you click in inspiration, can you see where it says QR code on there? If you click the QR code and pop in the same code, it will do it for you. So all the codes above the QR codes and above the barcodes as well are all there to aid you if you don't want to use the QR code, but can be used with. So maybe your camera's down or you're not having great help with getting it by scanning it with your phone, pop in the code. It's as simple as that, and it will take you to all of the information. I hope that helps, but I don't want it to over confuse you all. I don't want it to be complicated. I want it to be super simple. It's a facility for you and to aid you in using the products that we supply you. So it's all about the education. Now you all know, now you can tell everybody else about it as well for me.